Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix scan issues in HP printers using HP Print and Scan Doctor. But the important point here is that this software is available for Windows device only. So you need to do it on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to open any of your browser. Like I have opened Google Chrome, and in browser you need to open this website, which is support.hp.com. As you can see here, you just need to search, then this website will be opened. Now scroll down, and below you will find this section which is identify your product for manuals and specific product information. So just search here your printer model name exactly. Suppose that here I have purchased DeskJet 2723, so I will just type its name and click on submit button. Now result is available on my screen, which is HP DeskJet 2723 all-in-one printer. So this is the exact model which I have. So I will just click on this link. Let's wait for some time. So now scroll down, and below you will find this option which is software, driver and firmware. Just click on this. Now it is directly detected operating system of my Windows PC. So I'm using Windows 10, as you can see here. So you will find a section which is all drivers. Under all drivers you will find one more option which is diagnostic tool, fixes installation and driver issues. Just click on plus icon. Now you will see HP Print and Scan Doctor for Windows, version name, file size and last update date and year. So just click on download. Now it will download on your Windows PC. Okay, so as you can see here, file is downloaded with this name. So just I will open the installer and launch this application. So just click on open. Now it will open in your Windows PC. Installation will be started. Okay, so now this software is installed on my PC, and you can see here I have also launched it, and its interface and the appearance you can see here. Now I will just click on start button. Now it is searching for products available in the same network. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so as you can see here, this printer is available and it is ready to set up, which is HP DeskJet 2700 series. So I will just click on next button. Now it is communicating with the printer. Okay, so communication established. So as you can see here, there are two issues could be fixed with HP Print and Scan Doctor software. So because we are going to fix scanning issues, because I have already covered fix printing issues in previous videos, you can also check out the playlist. So I'm just clicking on fix scanning. Now here it is asking another version of software is available, but I will just click on skip because I have already installed the latest version of the software. So now it is fixing and finding scanning problems. So now it is communicating with the printer. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, it is checking all these terms like recommended updates, device manager. So all the checks are performed by the software and printer, and let's wait. It is taking some more time, but as I'm not facing any problem with the scanning, so it will not display any problem. But if you are facing any issue related to scan, so it will prompt you and it will fix the issues, whatever the problem is that related to scan. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.